Gentlemen, beards make men look more manly, and mustaches make them look creepy. Both are undisputable scientific facts. Another undisputable scientific fact is that there's some dudes who just can't grow beards. Does this mean that you can't look manly and macho? Gentlemen, abso-freaking-lutely not. Today I'm going over 10 simple ways any guy can look manly, even without a beard. I've identified 10 things that make men look super freaking manly. Number 1 is the ability to start a fire. Not that kind. Making a fire. Every single dude, in my opinion, needs to learn how to build a proper campfire. I'm not talking about like going all naked and afraid, trying to use your watch crystal and a twig and a piece of pubic hair in order to start. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about you have a match, you've got a campfire, and it needs to be built. If you can do it, you look manly. You know what else makes a dude look manly? Denim jacket. Nothing more manly in terms of jackets than a trucker jacket, right? Because it's a little short, it's cropped, it's rugged, yet refined. In terms of great denim jackets, Levi trucker jackets are incredible. The Gap, this is from the J. Crew outlet. It was like 50 bucks. Guys, invest in a denim jacket. They are amazing in the way they make you look manly. Third thing that makes a man look more manly is being handy. So the inspiration for this video was actually a conversation that my wife and I had. Now, she might not think I'm a bad boy, but she definitely thinks I'm handy and has actually said that she's more attracted to me because I know how to fix things. I can hang pictures, I can mirrors, do stuff, like dude stuff. And this may come as a surprise to you because you think I'm all about manscaping and plucking my eyebrows, but the fact is, I love tinkering. I love being able to assemble furniture. I love hanging pictures. I love being handy. And in my opinion, it's a skill that makes you look manly. The fourth thing that makes you and me and us look manly is taking control of a situation. When everybody else is freaking out like, oh my God, what are we gonna do? Oh, I can't. Stop. Hold on, chill, Brad. Don't freak out. I need you to go and call 911. Sheila, grab a blanket. Brenda, you go with Brad because I think he's a little bit upset, and I'm gonna sit here and do CPR or handle whatever the situation needs and requires of me because I'm a man and I handle my business, but I also help in times of need. Fifth thing that makes a dude look more manly is wearing a watch. In my opinion, there's no more manly accessory than wearing a badass watch. A watch sends the subliminal message to everybody around that you're responsible, that you're reliable. Not to mention, they also make your forearm look a little bit sexier, and you know how the ladies love an exposed forearm. Gentlemen, if you are looking to find an incredibly beautiful, sexy, stylish watch to look more manly, there's a link down below to today's video sponsor, Movement. Check out the designs of these Movement watches, not to mention the one on my wrist. Check it out. Murdered. All black, matte case, rose gold markers, mesh strap. This thing is so badass. This is one of my all-time favorite watches. It's a little more minimal. It's sleek. It's got the white face. It's got the rose case. That little design right there reminds me of the IWC Big Pilot. The gray leather strap. This new design reminds me of the AP Royal Oak. It's just a badass macho manly watch. Guys, in my opinion, every single one of you should be rocking a watch. I know that there are a lot of you out there that are like, yo, I don't need to wear a watch. I got a cell phone for the time. And I get it, right? Everybody does have access to the time. But those of you who wear a watch, you know exactly what I'm talking about. There's something different and classier and just, it makes you feel good. Every time you look down at your wrist and you love the watch you're wearing, it's like a little boost of confidence. Guys, here's the deal. There's a link down below. Go check out the beautiful collection of Movement watches. It's personally curated by me. Guys, hit that link and go check out the AlphaM, a curated collection of Movement watches. There's also a discount code to grab 1, 2, possibly 3 at an amazing price. Gentlemen, watches are badass. They are beautiful and they make you look more manly. The sixth thing that makes you look more manly. After you. Opening the car door, in my opinion, is one of the classiest, most gentlemanly, most manly things a dude can do. When you've got a passenger, whether or not it's your spicy senorita, your mom, your grandma, or just your dad, like whomever, going up and opening the passenger side if you're driving is, in my opinion, a surefire way to look super macho, manly. Makes you look like the freaking man. And if your girl's friends see you, oh my God, it makes their man look like big turds. Number 7 is shooting a shotgun. So when I was 10 years old, my stepfather had shotguns, and he's like, hey, come here, I'm gonna teach you how to shoot a shotgun. I held it up, it shot, and it hurt so freaking bad. I'm like, I'm never doing that again, and I was scared. I was always scared of shotguns. And then a few years ago, I went to this thing with a bunch of other like men's lifestyle influencers. It was a weekend where us influencers like got together, hung out, and like talked about business and stuff like that, but we had all these events planned for us. One was driving like sports cars. The other thing though was skeet shooting. It was so much fun, and I felt super manly doing it. Going to a shooting range or skeet shooting, it's just a lot of fun. It's also a really fun thing to do on a date, if that's what you're into. Now, I know that a lot of you guys aren't into guns, but at the end of the day, it's fun, and in my opinion, it makes you feel a little more manly when you're handling the steel. The 8th thing that makes you look a little more manly is knowing how to drive a stick shift. Driving a stick shift, in my opinion, is a dying skill because a lot less cars nowadays actually have a stick shift. But in my opinion, if you can find one and learn, and you have a friend or a family member that's trusting enough and loves you enough, because you're probably going to damage their clutch, gentlemen, it is definitely a skill that you should possess. Number 9 is flannel. In my opinion, the flannel shirt is one of the most macho, most alpha shirts a dude can wear. Wearing flannel has been scientifically proven by the AlphaM researcher looking manly to increase testosterone levels by like 27%. Believe that. If clothing could actually increase your testosterone levels, sure, it would definitely do it. Something else that definitely makes you look more manly is number 10, which is being comfortable in your own skin. Being comfortable in your own skin is one of the most manly things that you can possess. But unfortunately, it's not easy. If it was, everybody would feel comfortable in their own skin and accept their imperfections and their insecurities and all that good stuff, but it takes time. But I'm here to tell you, gentlemen, you are amazing. You're manly, you're incredible, you're macho, even without a beard.